welcome. So as you can see by the title, this is an empty apartment tour. Right now, as you can see, I'm kind of settled in, but I did record it on my iPhone, a complete empty apartment tour. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, girl, because we got a lot on the way. Vlogmas is coming, and I definitely want to participate in that. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all chromed out in a Hummer bed. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way, 'cause you and your girls wanna ride. Play all day, puff on the line. Say what, say what, say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all chromed out in a Hummer bed. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way, 'cause you and your girls wanna ride. Play all day, puff on the line. Say what, say what, say what? You know that I like it, baby.